Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. For today's video, I'm going to walk you through one of my favorite sandwiches on the planet using boneless chicken thighs and freshly prepared Caesar dressing using my very own olive oil cured trout and Worcestershire sauce from previous videos. So check those out if you haven't already. Without further ado, let's dive into the kitchen. The first thing on the prep list is the homemade Caesar dressing, and like I said before, what's special with this one is that I get to use my very own cured trout, which is a very nice touch, but can easily be substituted with anchovy. Just make sure to give it a good mince. Mix that together with egg yolks, fresh or dried garlic, a very generous amount of fresh cracked black pepper, and Worcestershire sauce. You could also add in a splash of red wine vinegar or lemon juice, but my homemade Worcestershire sauce was pretty vinegar heavy, so I didn't have to worry about that. Whisk that all together and slowly pour in the olive oil, a tablespoon at a time until it becomes thick and creamy. I prefer it slightly runny, but you can really make this thick if desired by adding more oil. Finish it with fresh grated parmesan and your dressing is finished. This will last in the fridge for at least 2 to 3 weeks if stored properly. Next up is to debone your chicken thigh. Make a cut down the top of the bone and work your way around the bones with your knife, making sure not to go through the skin on the other side. Once the bone is removed, take off any leftover tough cartilage and score the meat. Season the skin side with salt, black pepper, and olive oil. Then you're gonna grill this for around 5 minutes on both sides until fully cooked through and golden brown. While your chicken is cooking on the grill, you're going to thinly slice up your onions and season them with salt, black pepper, and olive oil in a mixing bowl. You can also add in a medley of parsley and basil to this if you want to layer in even more flavor and color. For the greens in the sandwich, we're going to be using crisp romaine lettuce. Break it down into sandwich-sized pieces and lightly coat them with the Caesar dressing. Then you're going to grab your sandwich bread, cut it in half and season with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Then grill that alongside the chicken for a good charred bread flair within the sandwich. At this point, the chicken should be finished cooking, so remove it from the grill and let it rest for 5 minutes or so, unlike me. I was a bit too hungry in this video, but it's well worth the wait. Once rested, give it a slice on an angle and assemble the sandwich with a smear of Caesar dressing first. Then the lettuce goes down, seasoned onions on top of that, sliced grilled chicken, and a nice finishing drizzle of the Caesar dressing to really amp up the highlight of what makes this a chicken Caesar sandwich. This is straight from my childhood skating days when I would ride down to my local market from my house and order this very same sandwich from the Wolfgang Puck Deli. And I had this at least once a week as a mid-skate session pick-me-up. I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe and make sure to like this video, share it with your friends and family, and drop a comment for future video requests. I'll see you guys next time with another recipe. Later, folks.